Hi everyone. Welcome back to Saveson Educational Services. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to download sample question papers from the CBSE academic website. First, open your web browser and you can just type CBSE Academic into your search engine, and the CBSE Academic page should appear. Click and open the page. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sample Question Papers section. Click on the link to Sample Question Papers. Now, you'll need to select the appropriate class and subject to find the sample papers that are relevant to you. Now, you can see the Class 10 sample papers listed here subject-wise. You can select any subject sample paper and download easily. Let's say you are looking for Class 10 science papers. I'm going to show you how to download the science sample question paper. Move your cursor to the Science SQP link and click on it. You'll see the science sample question paper open in a new tab. Now, let's download the marking scheme for the science paper. Return to the CBSE academic website and click on the Marking Scheme link for science. Again, you'll see the marking scheme open in a new tab. Now you are all seeing the science sample question paper. This is the way to open the CBSE sample question paper of Science 2024-25. Now you are all seeing the science marking scheme. Next, to download both the sample paper and the marking scheme, go to the top right of each page. You'll find a download button. Click this button, and your browser will prompt you to choose where to save the file. Choose your desired location, name the file, and click Save. Repeat this process for the marking scheme as well. Just go back to the marking scheme page, click the download button, and save the file in the same manner. Now, let's move on to closing the opened pages. Open the downloaded files to make sure everything is in order. That's it. You can repeat this process for any other papers you need. For example, if you need mathematics papers, simply follow the same. Next, I'll show you how to download Class 12 sample papers. Click on the Home option, go to the Sample Question Papers link, and select Class 12. All the subjects will be listed below. For this demo, let's download the mathematics sample paper. Move your cursor to the Mathematics SQP link and click on it. Just like before, you'll see the mathematics sample paper open in a new tab. To download the marking scheme, return to the sample paper page and click the Marking Scheme link for Maths. Use the download buttons on both pages to save the sample paper and the marking scheme to your device. And that's how you download sample question papers and marking schemes for both Class 10 and Class 12. Repeat the same steps for any other subjects or classes you need. And that's how you download sample question papers and marking schemes for both Class 10 and Class 12. Repeat the same steps for any other subjects or classes you need. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to SaveSyn Educational Services for more educational content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.